Over the last few years, noise cancellation headphones have become extremely popular. While this technology has been around for years, they were only found in premium and professional grade products. Today, they have made their way into consumer electronics, more specifically headphones. In this video, we're doing a quick primer on noise cancellation technologies, how it works, and what you should know before you take the plunge. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel. Also, click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's clear the noise. Noise cancellation can be broadly classified into two categories: active and passive technologies. Firstly, let's look at passive noise cancellation, as it is the most rudimentary form of this technology. Passive noise cancellation uses well-designed ear cups to seal out unwanted noise. It relies on isolating the ears to attenuate external noise sources. This is used in both over-the-ear and in-ear headphones. Nearly every headphone out there offers some degree of passive noise reduction. On the other hand, active noise cancellation or ANC uses electronics and phase cancellation algorithms to reduce unwanted background noise. The system deploys three components. First, single or multiple microphones that listen to the sound outside and inside of the earphone. Second, an ANC chipset that inverts the sound waves. And finally, there is a speaker inside the earphone that cancels outside sound by neutralizing the sound waves. Essentially, it is a harmonious coordination within the circuitry to reduce, control, or cancel ambient noise. Now, let's quickly go through the different types of active noise cancellation types. Bear in mind, different brands may have different names for these modes and settings. Adaptive active noise cancellation uses microphones and speakers to automatically adjust to your surroundings. This is the more sophisticated type of ANC where the level of noise cancelling digitally adapts to the surroundings. Adjustable active noise cancellation lets you change how much background noise you hear by manually adjusting noise cancellation levels. This is useful when you want to have full control. Transparency mode lets you easily tune back into the world around you without switching off your music or taking off your earphones. This is ideal for outdoor fitness enthusiasts such as joggers and cyclists, etc. Adjustable transparency mode lets you control how much of the outside world you want to pass through without switching off your music. And finally, adjustable own voice mode lets you control how much you would like to hear your own voice during, say, a conference call while using ANC. Here are a few important things you should know before you take the plunge. Most active noise cancellation works better on continuous sources of sound such as hums, buzzes, and even low-frequency rumbles in airplanes and trains. It works in limited capacity against transient sounds, say for example a loud blaring horn in traffic. However, with the advent of better chipsets with AI technology, this may soon be a thing of the past. It is important to know that enabling ANC on your headphones will consume more battery power. Keep that in mind during longer commutes. If you travel a lot, we recommend hybrid ANC as they offer the best results in most environments. And lastly, if your usage is going to be indoors in a noise-free environment, switch off ANC mode to save battery and ensure the highest sound fidelity. We hope this video has helped you understand noise cancellation technologies better. Which topics would you like us to cover next? Use the comment section below to share your suggestions. Finally, Uberpad has a wide collection of professional and audiophile grade headphones from leading global brands online in India. Be sure to check them out. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.